The Los Angeles Zoo is an amazing place to visit any time of the year, but springtime is when the snakes come out to play. In the reptile and amphibian exhibit, visitors can see a variety of snake species from around the world, and they are all fascinating to watch as they glide through their terrariums or lounge around their habitats. Snakes are some of the most feared creatures in nature, but the reality is they are an important part of the ecosystem and play a vital role in keeping balance among their prey. The Los Angeles Zoo is dedicated to educating visitors about the importance of these creatures, and the reptile and amphibian exhibit is the perfect place to learn about them up close. The Lair section is where visitors will find the snakes at the Los Angeles Zoo. This area is designed to mimic the natural habitats of the snakes, and visitors can see them going about their daily routines. It's a great place to watch them bask in the sun or swim in their water tanks. The zoo is dedicated to providing the best care for the snakes, and visitors can see this for themselves when they visit. Visitors of all ages will enjoy learning about these fascinating creatures and getting a closer look at them than they ever could in the wild. Overall, the Los Angeles Zoo is a great place to learn about snakes and other reptiles. It's an amazing experience to see these creatures up close, and the zoo's dedication to providing top-notch care means visitors can rest assured that the snakes are happy and healthy.